Welcome to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable Tab Sleep feature in Firefox browser. In Edge browser, there is a feature available to save the resources or memory, called sleeping tabs. There is a similar function available in Mozilla Firefox, called Tab Sleep. This post will guide you on enabling or disabling the Tab Sleep feature in the Firefox browser. When this feature is turned on, Firefox puts inactive tabs that you haven't accessed for a few minutes to sleep mode or suspends those tabs. That is a beneficial feature to save the system resources or memory. Whenever you access any of the inactive tabs, those are awakened or bring back to the active mode with a refresh. How to enable or disable Tab Sleep feature in Firefox browser. To enable or disable the Tab Sleep feature in the Mozilla Firefox browser, perform the following steps. Step 1. Open the Firefox browser and access the Advanced Preferences page. To access the Advanced Preferences page, launch Firefox and type About, config in the address bar and press Enter from the keyboard. Step 2. You will see a Proceed with Caution warning message. Click on the Accept the Risk and Continue button to open the Advanced Preferences page. Step 3. Click the Show All. Step 4. On the search box type Low Memory. Step 5. Double-click on the browser.tabs, unload on low memory preference to set its value to True. Note, by default, the value is set to false, which means Tab Sleep is disabled. To disable the Tab Sleep at any time, double-click on the browser.tabs, unload on low memory preference to set its value to false. That's all. Once you have completed the above steps, restart Firefox and it'll enable/disable the Tab Suspend feature in Firefox based on the value of the preference. If you have set the value to True, whenever you are working with too many tabs and some tabs are not accessed for some minutes, Firefox will automatically suspend those idle tabs. If you have not subscribed to this GearUpWindows channel yet, hurry up. A lot of tutorials are on the way. Thanks.